Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to automate reporting with Notion integration in 2025 so you can save up time and keep your data up to date without manual work. Start by choosing the type of reports you want, like sales performance, content analytics, or project progress. Instead of entering numbers by hand, you can connect Notion with tools like Google Analytics, Slack, or even CRM using integrations. The easiest way through automation, platforms like Zapier or Make, for example, every time a new sale closes in HubSpot, a deal record can add into your Notion database. Or when a YouTube video hits a milestone, the stats are inside your dashboard. You can also create custom dashboard and this way you and your team always see the latest numbers in one place, whether that's the charts, KPIs, or weekly summaries. Once it's all set up, reporting becomes handoff. Your integration handle the updates while you focus on making decisions. With automated reporting in Notion, you will cut down on a lot of work, improve accuracy, and get real-time insights right inside your workspace. Thanks everyone for watching.